Wonders of Animals 8 Creatures that survive in extreme conditions. From the searing heat of the deserts to the icy wastelands of the poles, our planet is home to an astonishing diversity of life. Welcome to another video from Animal Imprint, where we explore the mysteries of the animal kingdom. Today, we'll take you on an exciting journey to discover 8 incredible creatures with extraordinary abilities that allow them to survive in the harshest conditions. Get ready to be amazed. We will delve into the fascinating world of 8 extraordinary creatures, each a testament to nature's boundless capacity for innovation and resilience. Resumes its life as if nothing had happened. Our journey now takes us to the vast, arid landscapes of the desert. Here we encounter the camel, synonymous with survival in adversity. Its ability to survive for days without water is legendary. The camel's hump stores fat, not water, serving as a vital energy reserve. When metabolized, this fat releases water, providing hydration. The camel's kidneys produce concentrated urine to minimize water loss, and its nostrils condense moisture from its breath. Its body temperature can fluctuate, reducing the need to sweat and conserving water. Chapter 4. The Anglerfish, the Mistress of the Deep. We now plunge into the depths of the ocean, encountering the anglerfish. The anglerfish is perfectly adapted to life in the abyss. Its bioluminescent lure attracts unsuspecting prey. Its body withstands the immense pressure of the deep sea. The male attaches to the female, fusing tissues and becoming dependent on her for sustenance. This ensures the female always has a mate available when ready to reproduce. Chapter 5. The Mantis Shrimp, the Boxer of the Seas. Our journey takes us to coral reefs, where we encounter the mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp's raptorial claws deliver powerful punches, stunning or killing prey instantly. Its claws allow it to smash open hard shells, accessing a food source few others can exploit. Its complex eyes see ultraviolet and polarized light, spotting prey and predators in murky waters. Chapter 6. The Fennec Fox, the Desert Master. We return to the desert to meet the fennec fox. Its oversized ears regulate body temperature, dissipating heat. Its pale fur reflects sunlight, reducing heat absorption. Its kidneys conserve water by producing concentrated urine. Thick fur on its paws acts like snowshoes, allowing it to move across loose sand. The fennec fox is a nocturnal hunter, using keen hearing to detect prey underground. Chapter 7. The Giant Tortoise, the Eternal Survivor. Our journey takes us to the Galapagos Islands, encountering the giant tortoise. These gentle giants can live for over a century thanks to their slow metabolism. They store large amounts of water in their bladders and can survive for months without drinking. Their shells provide protection, and their strong legs navigate rocky terrain with ease. Resuming its life cycle. From the microscopic water bear to the majestic giant tortoise, we've explored the incredible diversity of life in extreme environments. These creatures are a testament to nature's boundless creativity and resilience. What do you think of these amazing creatures? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next adventure.